Now this video is specially made for bicycle owner, as in this video I have listed 3 best bicycle lock in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bicycle lock after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bicycle lock. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the bicycle lock. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with bicycle, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 U-Lock with cable offers a smart blend of security and portability for city riders. Featuring a 13mm hardened max performance steel shackle with a double deadbolt design, it provides solid resistance to cutting and leverage attacks. It carries reputable certifications, sold Secure Gold and ART2, and Kryptonite assigns it a 7 out of 10 security rating. The compact size, 7 by 3.25 inches, approximately 1.61 kilograms, makes it portable, while the included 4-foot flex cable allows securing the front wheel. However, the small internal dimensions can limit fit on some bikes or fixtures unless you're flexible with locking techniques. The cable only serves as a deterrent. It's easy to cut. Some users cite challenges with the frame mount and occasional key turn resistance. Nonetheless, it's a dependable, compact choice, highly rated by Wirecutter and experts as ideal for urban commuting. Number 2. The FoldyLock Forever Folding. Bike lock is a premium choice for cyclists seeking strong security with portability. With a sold Secure Gold rating, it offers reliable protection against theft, making it suitable for both urban and high-risk areas. Built with heavy-duty hardened steel links, the lock resists cutting, sawing, and leverage attacks while maintaining a sleek, compact design. Measuring 90 centimeters in length, it provides versatile locking options, allowing you to secure your bike to a wide range of racks, poles, and other fixtures. Unlike bulky chain locks, the folding mechanism makes it easy to carry and store, and it comes with a frame-mounted case for convenience. The lock uses a high-security key system, adding an extra layer of theft deterrence. Durable, weather-resistant, and practical, the FoldyLock Forever strikes the perfect balance between strength, portability, and ease of use, making it an excellent investment for everyday cyclists. Number 3. The Seatylock FoldyLock Compact is a smartly engineered folding bike lock that impresses with its lightweight portability and practical design. Comprising 6 hardened steel links joined by stainless steel rivets, it unfolds to an 85-centimeter, 33-inch circumference and folds neatly into a compact 19 by 6 centimeter package, ideal for tucking into backpacks or sleek frame-mounted cases. Certified sold Secure Silver, it provides solid protection against common attacks in low to mid-risk settings. Reviewers praise its quiet, rattle-free ride when secured to bottle cage bosses and its smooth folding action that makes locking and unlocking effortless. Because of its mid-tier security level, it's best suited for everyday errands or bikepacking rather than long-term high-risk locations. The FoldyLock Compact strikes a compelling balance between usability and protection. Light, compact, and elegant in form. Ideal for riders seeking a stylish, easy-to-carry lock for routine stops and moderate security situations. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Bicycle Lock. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.